Hey guys and welcome. In this video we're going to show you how to walk from Pisa International Airport into the city centre and then onto the Leaning Tower. It's an easy walk of just over 2 miles and it should take you around 45 minutes to an hour. When you leave the airport building you will see this sign. Head left if you're going to the Pisa Mover and head straight on towards the car park if you're walking. Make your way across the car park, but not literally like we did. There is an actual footpath that takes you around the edge of the car park, and we definitely recommend using that rather than cutting across. We now need to cross this road in front of us. The crossing for this is just to the left. If you followed the path around the edge of the car park, it will lead you directly to the crossing. Once across the road, turn right and follow the path under the road bridge. You will find yourself on this blue path. Follow the path straight along for about 10 to 15 minutes. You'll cross over a few roads, pass a roundabout and then end up on this tree-lined street by the station.
Yeah, we go across the bridge and then left and that's the station.
Walk across the bridge over the train tracks and then turn left. Following this path round will lead you to Pisa's main train station. This is where the Pisa Mover will bring you to if you took that option. From here you can also catch the train to Lucca, Florence or even Rome. From the train station it's just a short walk through the city streets to get to the river and then the tower itself. Once across the river, turn left. Then walk along the river until you get to the next bridge and take a right. You will now be on the street that's going to lead you to the tower. Walk along this street, passing the many cafes, bars and restaurants until you see the tower. And there you have it, you've made it to the Leaning Tower of Pisa by walking from the airport. We hope you've enjoyed this video and you've found it of some use. If you have found it of some use on your future travels, please do give it a big thumbs up and make sure you comment in the comments below. Thanks guys, and we'll see you in the next one.